Welcome to Mars Saga, your gateway to the Red Planet. Subscribe now and join the journey.
Welcome back to Mars Saga, where every grain of Martian dust hides a chapter of cosmic history. Today, we venture into one of the most haunting mysteries of the Red Planet, the question that has fascinated humankind for centuries. Was Mars once alive? Long before it became a frozen desert, scientists believe Mars may have looked more like Earth than the barren world we see today. Rivers once carved winding channels across its plains. Vast lakes shimmered under an orange sky. Volcanoes breathed out heat, and thick clouds trapped warmth like a blanket. Somewhere in that ancient chaos, life may have taken its first breath, not as creatures of flesh and bone, but as microscopic architects shaping the rocks we now study. Let's travel billions of years into the past. The Jezero crater, where NASA's Perseverance rover explores today, was once a deep lake fed by branching rivers. In the sediments it left behind lie minerals like clays, sulfates, and carbonates, all of which form in the presence of water. But these minerals are more than simple geological remains. They are memory keepers, silent witnesses of an age when conditions were ideal for microbial life. Inside these ancient rocks, scientists have found organic molecules, carbon-based compounds, the foundation of life as we know it. The discovery doesn't confirm biology, but it suggests that the ingredients for life were present. Curiosity Rover, exploring Gale Crater since 2012, detected long-chain hydrocarbons preserved within clay layers. On Earth, similar compounds form from biological processes or through chemical reactions between rock and water. Both possibilities are revolutionary, one pointing toward life, the other showing that Mars had the chemistry to create it. Now imagine the Martian surface 3.5 billion years ago. Warm springs bubbling near volcanic vents, craters filled with shallow water, lightning splitting the skies. In those steaming pools, minerals like pyrite, magnetite, and greigite could have acted as catalysts, helping simple molecules bind together into more complex structures. If this happened, Mars may have witnessed its own brief experiment with biology, a world alive, if only for a cosmic heartbeat. But what happened next changed everything. As Mars lost its magnetic field, the solar wind began stripping its atmosphere away. The planet cooled, the water froze, and any surface life would have been forced underground. Deep below the frozen crust, scientists believe pockets of liquid water might still exist, perhaps warmed by residual heat or salty brines. If microbial life ever adapted to these dark refuges, it might still survive there today, hidden beneath layers of ice and rock. Recent radar scans from the Mars Express orbiter suggest something astonishing. Bright reflections beneath the South Polar ice cap, consistent with liquid water lakes sealed under miles of frozen CO2 and dust. These underground reservoirs could hold the final echoes of ancient ecosystems. If we ever drilled deep enough to reach them, we might uncover evidence that Mars never truly died, it just went silent. Back on the surface, Perseverance continues to search for biosignatures, patterns, textures, or chemical imbalances that only life can leave behind. Some of the most promising clues lie in stromatolite-like formations, layered rock structures built by microbial communities on ancient Earth. If similar textures are confirmed on Mars, it would be the most profound discovery in human history, the realization that life began not just once, but twice within the same solar system. Future missions, including Mars Sample Return, aim to bring these precious rocks to Earth. In advanced laboratories, scientists will scan them atom by atom, looking for microfossils, trapped gases, or isotopic fingerprints that could rewrite our understanding of life's origins. What we find could answer an age-old question. Are we the universe's only storytellers? Or just one verse in a cosmic chorus that began on another world? Mars teaches us that life is fragile, yet determined. Even in desolation, the planet carries memories of rivers, warmth, and possibility. Perhaps life is not rare at all. Perhaps it's the universe's natural expression, waiting wherever chemistry, time, and hope collide. So, as you look at that faint red light in the night sky, remember, you may be staring at the ruins of a once living planet, or at the cradle of life that still sleeps beneath the dust. Thank you for watching. You are exploring the mysteries of the Red Planet with Mars Saga, where every silence tells a story and every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the universe. Stay curious and see you in the next episode.